Hi, it's me Riel, and today I am going to teach you on how to greet your friends when you are in the Philippines, especially if you are in Cebu, in Leyte, and in some parts of the Visayas region. The most commonly used greetings when you are an English speaker is to say hi, hello, how are you? Now translating that one in Cebuano, you say, Kumusta naman ka? So if you wish to respond to the greetings, how are you? Normally in English, you will say, I'm fine, thank you. So in Cebuano, you say, okay rako, salamat. Salamat actually means thank you. Now for example, if you want to greet your friends, good morning. So good in Cebuano is maayo. Then morning means buntag. So you say maayong buntag. So there is actually ing after maayo. So maayong buntag. For good afternoon, you also have to say good means maayo and afternoon means hapon. So maayong hapon. The same with good evening. You say maayong for good and evening is gabi. Maayong gabi. Now if you wish to respond to the greetings, maayong buntag, maayong gabi, maayong udto, you only have to repeat the same expression to that person greeting you. So, if a person say maayong buntag, you have to say maayong buntag. If someone says maayong udto, you have to say maayong udto. The same is true with maayong gabi. You have to only say maayong gabi. Once again, thank you for watching. See you again for the next tutorial. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. And please don't forget to like the video. See you.